moving, huh? Wow. Hey, look at, doesn't it almost look like it's gonna tip over? Like fall over, those tall ones? Oh my gosh, look at that. It's going so fast, it looks like it's gonna tip over.
Here come the other rats. No more lumber cars. Bye bye lumber cars. Hello, auto rat. Hey, it's Pacific Railway. Norfolk Southern. The end. Bye bye, train.